www.gibsontruckworld. Calm 2008 Ford F-250 Lariat Southern Comfort Crew Cab Power Stroke Diesel 4-wheel drive monster with only 17k miles, balance of factory warranty through 5/31/14. Riding on a 6-inch Pro Comp lift kit with 35-inch Pro Comp tires and 20-inch Pro Comp wheels. Power moonroof, backup sensors, adjustable pedals, dual power heated leather memory seating, MP3 player with 6-disc CD changer, power sliding rear window, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry touchpad with code, alarm, bull bar, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, tailgate ladder, towing package, PW, PDL, and PM. With nearly 60 monsters in stock, find the Ford monster you've been searching for. Automatic transmission Gibson. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a